Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to manage security alerts in Facebook Messenger. Now let's begin. Initially, do make sure that you have the Messenger application installed in your mobile device and it is updated to the latest version. As you can see, I have already logged into my Messenger account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's try to manage security alerts in Messenger. Right here at the top left, here's a button like this with 3 lines. Just click on it and something like this will open up from the sidebar. Now what you want to do is simply go to settings. You can go to settings by simply clicking on this gear icon at the top right. Once you've clicked on it, something like this will open up. As you can see, there are lots of settings provided. You can enable or disable dark mode. You can turn on or off your active status. Well, there are lots of them. But right now we simply want to manage our security alerts. Right here under the preferences tab, you will find something like privacy and safety. Just click on it. Now from here, something like this will open up. Under the security tab, here's something called end-to-end encrypted chats. Just click on it. You will then be provided with 2 options, that is message storage and security alerts. Simply click on security alerts right here. Now you can see something like this. You can either view all logins, as you can see, and you can also manage security alerts from right here. Now you can enable notifications for your devices or keychains. As you can see, the button is toggled on, just turn it off and your security alerts will be disabled. But for safety, I'd recommend always turning this on. Well guys, that's it. That's how we manage security alerts in Facebook Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.